The right and wrong ways to trust your intuition. Allow yourself to feel. Before taking a step, ask the Creator for guidance. Do journaling and write about your feelings. Meditate. You might see some visions. Meditating just because to see visions is not a good option. This way, you might never increase your intuitive abilities and even won't be able to meditate the correct way. Another way to ask guidance from the Creator through visions is to affirm to have guidance related to your issue. Then close your eyes gently and keep breathing. Sometimes you might see visions, sometimes you won't. If you can't see visions, it means let go of thinking about this situation or surrender, or it's not the right time to have guidance regarding this situation. You might see angel numbers in your dreams, visions, and randomly throughout the day. If you see the same number multiple times a day, you need to check what message it has for you. Look for their meanings and try to find answers about your questions in any conversation or dispute. People also give suggestions in an indirect way. We all are helping each other. Try these techniques and do let me know about your experience. So if you liked my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.